Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you simply how you can create an advanced table in Microsoft Word. If you watch to the end, you can learn to create a table, change border thickness, and change color of border lines. If you see it helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Let's start. Determine the location of your table. For example, I want to insert table here. Then from insert, I have table. You can directly do like this or insert table or draw table. I prefer insert table. For example, I select 3 column and 3 row. Here you can select fixed column with this, auto fit to contents, auto fit to window. I select this option. Okay. Now I change my mind and I want to add another column. For example, I add a column here. Select it and right click, insert, insert row below. Great. Also, I want to add another column. Select here or here, it doesn't make any difference. Right click, insert column to the right or to the left. For example, to the left. Great. Now I want to change. Now I want to merge the cells in the top row. Select it, then right click, merge cells. If you want to change its width just from here, you can change its width, or directly from here, you can change the width. Great. Now I want to change the thickness of the border. To change thickness of the border, select this one, right click, table properties, border and shading. Select this one. You can select this one. I select this one. You can change the type. Okay. Also, you can change the color. For example, I selected this color. Great. You can change type. Sorry, this one width of the color, of the line. Great. Just okay. Good. For example, I want to divide this cell to a row or columns. Select it, right click, split. For example, two column and 3 row. Okay. You see, directly it divide a cell. For example, this cell. Split it to 2 column and 1 row. That's the professional way to work with tables in Microsoft Word. That's all. Have a nice time.